A pristine PlayStation 5 rests under soft light. The camera glides in, close, slow, catching the subtle textures of its outer shell. As the cover gently lifts away, translucent overlays reveal hidden air channels and dust traps, engineered to defend the console's core from invisible invaders. On-screen text notes: dual layer shell, deflects dust, channels airflow, subtle design, massive impact. Inside, the lens lingers on the massive fan and intricate cooling system. Animated arrows trace the airflow, showing how fresh air is drawn in and heat is expelled. Ultra-large fan and heatsink, maximum cooling, minimum noise, the caption explains. A slow zoom highlights the liquid metal spread over the APU, shimmering under the light. Liquid metal thermal interface, superior heat transfer, cooler performance, reads the overlay. The view shifts smoothly to the densely packed motherboard, tiny circuits and capacitors surrounding the custom APU. Labels point to the memory modules, power supply, and storage expansion bay, each one briefly spotlighted. Compact power supply, space-saving efficiency. M.2 expansion slot, ready for tomorrow's storage needs. As the camera pulls back, the layers reseal, and the shell encloses its secrets once more. The final caption lingers: one small change in airflow, one giant leap in reliability. This is how the PS5 stays cool, even under pressure.